Hi, Regina here. I want to talk about self-improvement. If you're into personal development, you are also interested in self-improvement. That's the whole point of it, right? Since there are so many changes around us, if you want to maintain a career, you run a business or a project, it's really important that one understand that it's important to make adjustments. And that is also within the personal area of my personality, of my skills. I need to level up my game, so to speak, to be at the forefront of what I want to achieve, right? I don't want to be left behind. To make small challenges with oneself is a really good idea, to kind of keep that mindset going, that okay, I need to make improvements. Don't need to make it as something that you're very stressful about. I'm much about planning, so it's a good idea to kind of have that in your daily schedule or weekly schedule at least. If you have your morning routine, things that you do, put them into your calendar, have some alerts, so then you know, okay, and so they will remind you every day. Then you know, okay, now I'm going to do this. And that's the way how habits is created, right? You do things over and over and over again, and then it becomes a habit. So it's repetition. And also with these challenging things, you can do it kind of with a sense of humor as well, to have a competitive mindset towards yourself. You don't need to view other people as competition, since then you will kind of have problems to get teams together if everybody see each other as a competition. That's not the point. It's a cooperation, and you need a team, or you need a network. So if you keep that competitiveness towards yourself instead, that I will make improvement, I will do these things. And a very fun way to do this is some personal goals that you have. For instance, when I have consultants assignments within business management and finance management at large corporations, I have this thing that I walk the stairs, or if I take the tube to the my assignment, I always run up the escalator. I don't just stand there. I always run, and particularly in the morning. It's a great way for some everyday exercise to get you really a momentum, and you feel that you gain the energy, since we generate energy. So when you run these things and walk, take the stairs instead of an elevator, is also really good. So you can have the competitiveness towards yourself, and it's an escalator, I will run upstairs. Or I want to be the world's best. I will want to make the world's best lasagna, for instance. That is something I have. So then I have some kind of competition with myself, how I can improve this. Some kind of that gives you kind of a sense of humor about it as well. So it's fun. It's important, so you don't take everything so dead serious. You need to have some fun as well during your progress within personal development, so you enjoy the journey. So you say, I think this is really fun, and you can have some other project, perhaps learn more about wine, different grapes, and have kind of a small study projects. That is a really good idea. And you also cultivate your memory, and you will learn how to kind of memorize things, how to categorize it into different boxes of grapes, perhaps, that you, this is this grape, interesting. This is, so you can dig deep into small projects that you have. So that will help you with for instance, this one with the memory. So it's a good idea, or other projects that you have, investigation that you do in different topics that you want to. I like words, the meaning of words. What does this really mean? I think that is very interesting. I do that a lot. So to have this progress of when you want to learn and have more in-depth understanding about things, it will help you both to be updated, and also is a really great thing for communicating with friends, and when you socialize and networking as well, you have something to talk about, since you can say, oh, I have done this with the wine, I think it's interesting, and this is my favorites, and or chocolate or whatever. So do these small competitions with yourself, and to know, since then you will kind of, in small things as well, take it as a kind of a competition with yourself, that I will make this really good. Everything I do is good. When I do things, it has high quality. So that would kind of give you also the discipline. You train yourself to be disciplined, and that is a really good idea. Since if market conditions will change, you know that you need to kind of develop and to change, to adapt. You know that it's more stressful for people who think that they don't need to change. That thinks that, okay, I can be this way for 40 years. No, you can't. You have to make adjustments. That's part of life. And since you already train yourself, you know that. So that would not be a big deal for you, since you're okay. Now I need to make these adjustments. Then you can more easily identify what you need to make adjustments in what area, and you will also not panic and don't know what to do, since this doesn't work that I've been doing for 30 years or 35. So it's a really good idea to have that mindset. Okay, I need to make some adjustments. And you know that it's if you have a business, it's very crucial to understand that, acknowledge that you need to do that if you run a business. And of course, if you have a project, and of course your career as well. So you need to make be kind of understand that you need to learn and adapt and acquire new skills to be competitive on a competitive market. And then of course is competition on the market, but you need to choose who are you competitive towards, not your friends and family and your close ones. That's not your competition, where you should be you should not view them as competition. So to make small competitions with yourself is also, this was I run this. I usually go out for a walk, or it took me 20 minutes. It took me 18 minutes today. Okay, I walk longer, so I'm faster, but I walk longer. So, and I have it counts my steps on my phone, the app. So I see how much I walk every day. And this week was a good week. Last week was better, and this month was better than last month. So you kind of do small competitions with yourself to be on the top of your game. You need that. If you want to be on top of your game, you need to have those small competitions with yourself in your schedule, in your everyday life. That's not every day, but in your life. So that's really important to schedule those small competitions with yourself. And I want to encourage you to check out my website. I have some blog posts there as well. And also subscribe to my channel and check out the other videos that I have here. Thank you for watching. Bye.